What does hepatitis C do to the body? Hepatitis C can cause swelling and scarring in the liver. After 20 to 30 years, the liver can become quite damaged and unable to work properly. This can cause many different health problems because the liver does so many important jobs for the body. Anyone with signs of liver damage should be checked to see if they can get hepatitis C treatment, as it could stop further liver damage. How can I know if my liver is damaged? Healthcare providers cannot predict who will have liver damage, so it's important to regularly see a provider who can monitor your health. Your healthcare provider can complete a detailed health assessment. This assessment will help to find out if the hepatitis C infection has caused any problems in how well your liver works. It will include a physical examination, blood tests, and other tests like a liver ultrasound. What is a hepatitis C viral load, or HCV RNA? A hepatitis C RNA test checks your blood for the presence of the hepatitis C virus. Some RNA tests check if the hepatitis C virus is in the blood, but not how much virus is in the blood. These tests tell if you still have hepatitis C. Other RNA tests check how much hepatitis C virus is in the blood. If you are being treated for hepatitis C, for example, these tests will tell if treatment is working. It's important to ask your provider for more information about hepatitis C, treatment for hepatitis C, deciding who to tell that you have hepatitis C, how you can stay healthy, and about vaccinations such as hepatitis A, B, pneumonia, and influenza. These vaccinations are free for people living with hepatitis C. You can get these vaccinations from your healthcare provider or public health unit. There are many sources of hepatitis C information, such as the internet, friends and family, and healthcare providers. Information can sometimes be out of date or incorrect. It is important to check out the information and decide if the information is helpful in your situation. Do people living with hepatitis C need to see a healthcare provider even if they feel fine? Yes, they should see their provider every 6 to 12 months. Even if a person feels well and has no symptoms, hepatitis C can still be damaging their liver. How often should I see a healthcare provider? See a provider every 6 months if your last checkup showed you did have liver damage. See a provider every 12 months if your last checkup showed you did not have liver damage. In addition to these regular checkups, see a provider anytime you have questions or concerns. When should I see a specialist or go to a liver clinic? This will vary, but most people get a referral when thinking about going for treatment. You may need a referral from your healthcare provider to see a hepatitis C specialist or to go to a liver clinic. Deciding who to tell that I have hepatitis C. Sometimes people newly diagnosed with an infectious disease are reluctant to talk about it. They're not sure how others will react. For example, many people don't know much about hepatitis C, so those infected worry that friends or family will become overly cautious or afraid of catching it. Before telling others that you have hepatitis C, take your time to think about it. There is no rush, but it is important to have some friends or family know so that you can have their support. When deciding who to tell, ask yourself, who will understand? Who can I trust to respect my privacy and my feelings? And who can give me emotional support? Stigma happens when somebody is judged or not valued as a person. People with hepatitis C sometimes feel judged or not valued because they have hepatitis C. This stigma can happen for many reasons. One reason can be fear that comes from a lack of knowledge. People may be afraid because they don't know about how hepatitis C is spread from person to person, how it affects health, or how it is treated. It's important to get the health care you need, but it can be hard to ask for it. This Personal Bill of Rights is one support that might help you to speak up for yourself. Click the Documents tab to download a copy of the Personal Bill of Rights.